So, good morning, students. This is class 4th. This is class 4th A. Subject GSC and date 28/4/2021. So, we are studying lesson 6, food that build the body. Lesson 6. Lesson 6, foods that build the body. Foods that build the body. So we reading this lesson last time. Reading was over. And this lesson, what have you learned was remain. So, food help us grow, get energy, and fight against diseases. Next, food contains certain substances called nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Next, carbohydrates and fats give us energy. Protein help our body grow, and vitamins and minerals keep our body healthy. Last time we discussed in detail about these words. Roughage helps us to carry waste materials out of our body, and water helps us in making food soluble, digestible, and absorbable. It also helps in elimination of harmful substances from body. Next, eating a lot of junk food leads to conditions like obesity, acidity, hypertension. This is the main drawback of the junk food. What we are eating, pizza, burger, etc., etc. This is the drawback that contains a huge amount of the fats, and that may causes the obesity, hypertension, and the acidity. Next, a balanced diet consists of all the essential nutrients in proper amounts, and preservation is the method to keep food safe for a long time. And next one, physical exercise makes our muscles strong. Resting, you read yourself more to know, and the word power it is given, you have to study yourself. So we are going to see worksheet 6. Here, worksheet 6. Worksheet 6. First is fill in the blanks. A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first, and fats are energy giving foods. So first, carbohydrates and fats are energy giving foods. So first you have to write carbohydrates. So first, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates and fats are energy giving foods. Now next are body building foods. So which one body building foods? That is the proteins. Second, proteins. Proteins are body building food. Now third, vitamins and minerals are productive food. Vitamins is written here, and minerals. are protective food. And fourth, you have to see water helps us in making food. Water helps us in making food soluble, digestible, and absorbable. In making food soluble, digestible, and absorbable. And fifth, so next fifth, when food is exposed to air, air and moisture, germs begin to grow on it. So here you have to write germs. Fifth, germs. So once again, we have to see first, carbohydrates and fats are energy giving food. Now second, proteins are bodybuilding foods. Third, vitamins and minerals are protective food. And water helps us in making food soluble, digestible, and absorbable. Now next one, when food is exposed to air and moisture, germs begin to grow on it. So now we have to write next one. Take the right answer. B. Take the right answer. B. We can write here B. B. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. So first is potatoes are rich in. Potatoes are rich in. Three options are given here: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. So which will be correct option? Carbohydrates is correct option. So first, carbohydrates. Now second, complete food is. Complete food is. Three options are given: chapatis, rice, and milk. So here milk is complete food. Second one, milk. Now third, I think we can rub these questions. Now third, we can write third. Young children need more carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. So proteins is correct option because they have growth, need the growth, and proteins is necessary for growth. So third, proteins. And fourth, vegetables and fresh fruits are good sources of vegetables and fresh fruits are good sources of. Three options are given: proteins, vitamins and minerals, and fats. So fourth, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. And fifth, roughage. Three options are given: helps us grow, gives us energy, and third, helps elimination of waste. So here helps elimination of waste is correct option. Helps elimination of waste. Once again, you have to see. So first, potatoes are rich in, three options are given: carbohydrates, proteins and fats. So here carbohydrates is correct option. Second, a complete food is, three options are given: chapatis, rice and milk. So for second, milk is correct option. Now third, young children needed more. Three options are given: carbohydrates, proteins and fats. So proteins is the correct option. Now next, vegetables and fresh fruits are good sources of. Three options are given: proteins, vitamins and minerals. So proteins, vitamins and minerals, and fats. So vitamins and minerals is correct option. Now fifth, roughage. Three options are given: helps us grow, gives us energy, and helps elimination of waste. So helps elimination of waste is correct option. So thank you. That's for today only.